at that. It's beautiful.
Hey, let's go smash it.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna throw it up in the air and see if I can catch it.
No, you idiot. You're not gonna catch it. If it falls on your head, you're fucking in a concussion. Wait, try that again. Let me get on camera. Mona, don't be stupid. Don't break it right here. Your mom's gonna see a pumpkin.
Okay.
Try it again. Don't throw it too high this time.
Got it! Look at this nice pumpkin.
Let me try to do it now.
Okay.
Oh, God,
Is it on?
Good, yeah. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
You wanna break it since you're a pumpkin?
Yeah. This is totally fine with me.
Okay.
Oh, let's break it in between the two legs.
Yeah! Wait, hold on. Did it break? What the heck? Throw it from a distance.
Oh, look at it. Okay, I'm gonna karate chop. One. No.
Idiot. Throw it against a tree now. Throw it against a tree.
Oh, that smells like. Happy Halloween.
My turn. So the remains of the pumpkin. That's warm.
Ew, it's warm. I think it's dead, Ken. My mom's gonna be pissed.
Shit, we gotta hide these.
Throw it in the dumpster. Let me help. Ew! Oh, I missed. Shut up.
Got it.
Ew. Okay. Oh, what the? Shut up.
Should we go over the fence?
Oh yeah, whatever.